then we'll practice this whole month. So is that cool? And then maybe at the end we'll have a quiz or something to see how much you learned. Me or Moonlight can ask you. If you don't know some of the words, then we can help you. Because we want to make sure you learn it proper, like the right way to sign it. It's important to do that, like to learn the concept. So you guys ready to start?
Yeah.
So this is the first word, pencil. Number 1, pencil. So it's kind of like you're writing something. Second one is paper, and it's kind of towards you, not away from you. That's clean. Paper is towards you. Number 3, table. Desk is the same sign too, so it can be table, desk, counter, like encounter, anything you like set something on, or
Flat surface.
Flat, yeah, like a flat area. 5, chair. 6, color pencil. So that sign is color, and then you just add pencil. Stool, you just you're going to use a classifier, which would be these fingers, and just make the sign of this stool, and then sit to show that it's a chair. Number 8 is math. You're going to use M hands and just bring them across each other. Number 9 is writing. Kind of the same as pencil. 10, read. So like your eyes reading a paper or a book. 11, science. So you're going to use like the thumbs up hands and just bring them down like you're adding chemicals like a scientist would add them. Oh, and experiment is with E. There's different kinds of sign languages. There's one called C sign, which means signed exact English, and then ASL. So if you're doing C sign, use a lot more of like the ABC hand shapes. So like experiment with E would be this in C sign, and then ASL would just be the regular sign for science, experiment too. So that's something to remember. 11 is social science. It's just SS, social science. Study, number 13, study. Like you're studying for a test and be looking at it again and again and again. 14 is homework. 15, ruler. 'R's. Graph. Like you're making the graph with your fingers, you know, like graph paper. So you're going to make squares with your fingers. Like pattern also, that's a sign for pattern. Kind of a little bit open. See how it makes the graph when you do this? So you're just going to, you guys got it. Glue with the G hand. There's 2 ways to sign it. First you can do G, that C sign, or the new sign now is just this for glue. Like this is the bottle and this is the paper. You're squeezing it out on there. 18 is art, like you're drawing on a paper. So this is the paper and your pen or pencil or whatever, and you're just drawing. Paint, like you're using a paintbrush on a piece of paper. 20 is grade. remember, this is learn. Like you're taking the information from the paper and putting it in your memory, right? And anytime you want to turn a sign, like say it's a person, so you know in English we say ER, like learner or worker or whatever. If you take learn and put down the person sign, that means student. Or if you want like artist, you do art, person. So artist. Teacher. So like the teacher's taking the information from her head and putting it to yours. And then the person side. Got it. And then 23, just teach. It's without the person. Backpack. Like the shoulder straps for your backpack. 25 is book. Pretty self-explanatory. It's easy. 26, library. It's just the L with a circle. 27, front office. Front office. So this is like the front of you, right? And then office is 2 O hands. And you're going to kind of make like the shape of a room. So side walls and then the front and back walls. Office. Or you could do it backwards, which confuses me. Office, office, as long as it kind of looks like a box. Bell, like the little ringer inside hitting the side of the bell to make the noise. PE. This is a P and then an E. Because this is the sign for gym, like you're kind of exercising a little bit, and then it's related to PE, so that's why you're still going off the shoulders, but you're using the P and